Yes, students, here we are having a question. Draw the graph of f of x which is equals to 2x minus 3. Also find the coordinates of the point where it crosses x-axis. Now here we will go with the assuming that y is equals to 2x minus 3. Now if we are assuming y is equal to 2x minus 3 means it is clear here y is a function of x. Y is a function of x. It means the value of x changes the value of y. Means here we are having two variables. Y is a dependent variable. Whereas x is independent variable. The value of y is depending on the x independent variable. So we will go with this. Here what we have to do first, now we know that in graphical representation here we are having x-axis, this is x-axis, here it is, and y-axis. This is the origin where we are having coordinates 0 and 0. Okay, now first what we have to do, we have to make a table here. Y, take y like this. Since here we have to determine the coordinates of the point where it crosses x-axis. अब यहाँ पर हम देखें कि यदि हम x एक्सिस की बात करते हैं तो x एक्सिस पे y के कोऑर्डिनेट्स यहाँ 0 होते हैं, और y एक्सिस पे हम बात करते हैं, y एक्सिस पे इफ वी आर टॉकिंग, यहाँ पर हम देखें तो हमको x की वैल्यू 0 मिलती है. तो यदि हमको कहा गया है ड्रा द ग्राफ ऑफ x which is equals to 2x minus 3, means if we are assuming y equals to 0, what we are getting, that we will see. 2x minus 3, it is 2x which is equal to 3 and x is equal to 3 by 2, means the point will be somewhere here. Assume this one and this is 2, it is 3 by 2 means it is 1.5, means nearby here. So coordinates which we have got on x-axis, here x is 3 by 2, then the value of y is 0. Now we have taken in the reverse order. बेसिकली ऐसे नहीं करना है, हमको हमेशा x की वैल्यू रख के ही करना है. अब यहाँ पे मैं यदि x की वैल्यू देखूँ, फॉर एग्जांपल 1 लेता हूँ, तो y की वैल्यू क्या होगी? तो 2 into 1 minus 3, it is going to be 2 minus 3, which is going to be minus 1. Okay. Similarly, if I am substituting the value of x equal to 0 here in the given equation, y 2 into 0 minus 3, it is going to be minus 3, means x is equal to 0. What we are getting here, we are getting minus 3. Similarly, if we are substituting the value of 1, what we are getting, x equal to 1, we are getting minus 1. We can go for plotting the graph. Assuming x equal to, y will be equals to into 2, 3 equals to 4 minus 3, means x, the on of x of y is going to be equal to 1. Now if we are taking, we have taken 0, we have taken 1, it is 1.5, means in these two we have from y, keeping y equals to 0, because here on this axis always the coordinates of y will be here. If we go x on this y axis, the coordinate of x is going to be 0. So we have got here, we have got this 0 at x to 0, we are getting the value of y as minus. So if we are having, say it is 2 and say it is 3, this is minus 1, this is 2, this is minus, and if in this order, if we go 1 2 3, similarly 0 is equal to 3 by 2, at 3 by 2 means 1.5, we have got the value of, if we are joining them. Now see here, having x equal to 1, what we are getting, we are getting, this is say minus 1, at x equal to 2, what we are getting, plus 1. Here we can plot this, and we are just circle over here, make a circle over here, so it will be clearly visible to you. Now if we are having this, we are getting a straight line. We are getting a straight line. So this is giving us a linear polynomial. It is giving us linear polynomial. So first of all, what we have to do, if we have given a polynomial, we have to take the value of x. It may be from 0 to, and some value you can take it minus 1, minus 2. Here we have gone directly. So ultimately what we are getting the straight line, and here we have got the coordinates 3 by 2 0, and here what we are getting, here it is minus 0 minus 3. Here what we are getting, here it is 3 by 2 and 0. This is the coordinate, which coordinates of the point where it crosses x-axis. Okay, we'll take another example. Now here we have got a graph which is related with a quadratic polynomial. Now quadratic polynomial, if we go with the quadratic polynomial, we are having ax square plus bx plus c, which is equals to 0. So where a is not equal to 0, so we have to draw the graph f of x square. F of x is equal to x square minus 2x minus 8. Now we can again take y square minus 2x minus 8. Now first of all, what we will do, we will make a table. Here we are taking y and here we are taking x. I am going to have three values, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2 and 3. Means if the graph, here we are having 0 0, that is origin. Here we will go with 1, here we will go with minus 1, minus and minus 3. So we have assumed of x in both sides, right hand side as well as left hand side. Okay, now we will determine the value of y. Y is depending on x. X is independent variable here. So first of all we have to write it like this: x square minus 2x minus 8. सिंपली आपको स्टार्ट करना है -3। x की वैल्यू आप -3 लेते हैं तो क्या मिलता है, दैट विल सी y इज इक्वल टू -3 स्क्वायर -2 इंटू -3 -8। ओके, so -3 square that is 9, minus minus plus 2 3 is minus 8, 15 minus 8, which is going to be -3 square 9, minus into minus plus 2 3 is 6, minus 8, 9 plus 6 15, minus 8 that is 7. That you have to put it here to make a table. Now we are taking x equals to -2. Then what will happen, that we will see. -2 square -2 into -2 -8, which is going to be 4, plus 4 minus 8 equal to 8 minus 8, which is going to be 0. So we'll be putting it here 0. Now we'll go with equal to -1. Okay, now here y is equal to -1, -2 into -1 -8, it is 1, minus into minus, that is plus 2, -8, 3 minus 8, which is going to be -5, it is -5. Now if we are substituting x equal to 0, y is equal to 0, square means 0, -2 into 0 -8, it is going to be -8. That we have to put it here. Now if we go with x equal to 1, what will happen? Again we are having y to 1 square minus 2 1 minus 8, it is 1 minus 2 minus 8, 1 minus 10, which is going to be -9. That we have to write it here. Now if again this x, मोस्टली हमको यही प्रैक्टिस करना है कि 0 और इसकी 3 और इधर की 3, उससे हमका ग्राफिकल रिप्रेजेंटेशन क्लियर आ जाएगा. y is equal to 2 square minus 2 into 2 minus 8, which is going to be 4 minus 4 minus 8, which is going to be -8. Now we'll put this -8 over here. Similarly we will go with x equal to 3. 3 square minus 2 into 3 minus 8, 9, 2 3s are 6 minus 8, so it is going to be 9 minus 14, which is going to be -5. So we can put here -5. Now we will go with the graphical representation. Here we have got the value, different values, and we have got the different. Now see here, we will go with the 0 first. Now here first, it is just a rough idea. You can use graph paper to get it perfectly. I am also going to show you on graph paper and next time. This is -1, this is -2, this is -3, so this is -4, so this is -5, it is -6, we are getting up to -7, so I am going up to -9. We are having a rough sketch most. Now see here, we have got the 0, x equal to 0, what we have got, y equals to -8, so we can put a circle over here. Then at x to 1 we are getting -9. So we can have this here, nearly here we are getting a graph like this. Now if we go with the 2, again what we are having, -8 here, sorry, here it is like this, this is not here. 3, what we are getting, -5. At 3 we are getting -5. If we are joining them, it will be like this, nearly here, a rough sketch which we can see here. Now at 1 we are getting -5. Here it is, at -1 getting -5. At -2 what we, at minus we are getting this, at minus we are getting +7. We have to go in this way, 1 2 say 3 say 4 say 5 say 6 and nearly about this. So this value will be here around -3 we are having 7, x equal to -3 we are having 7. At -2 what we are getting, at -2 we are getting 0. Okay, so we are here, this is not there, and -1 we are having this. At 0 we are getting -8. So draw this, nearly joining here. I am giving you the rough idea only. So this will be the representation. At this -2, this is not here, -1 we are getting this, -5 is here, here it is, here it is, here it is. And if we go with this, again we will be having a graphical representation like this. So this is a typical one. Okay, but from this observation we are having some on some positive value we are having negative values. Here on negative values we are having some positive value 0, and here it is this. So it is a, we can say, a parabolic one which is cutting at 2 points, x-axis. Here it will be here somewhere, say if we are taking, so we can get what is result, just can 4 square -8 -8, which is this. So it is 16 -16, which is going to be 0. Means at 4 it is touching over here, at 4 it is here at 0, because what we have got, at x equal to 4 we are getting the value which is going to be 0. So this is the graphical representation when we have got a quadratic polynomial. It is a quadratic one which will be in the form of this, a x square plus bx plus c, which is going to be equal to 0. It is a some rough sketch. You can draw better on your graph paper, so you will get a perfect one. Just I am giving you an idea to how we have to proceed in this manner. हमको कैसे बनाना है उसको हम समझें, वो इम्पोर्टेंट है हमारे लिए, है ना. सबसे पहले x की वैल्यू सब्सटीट्यूट करते हुए वी हैव टू गो, we have to make a table, and when we have got a table we can plot the graph. Take 0 from start it from 0, so you will get fast. Then go in this left right hand side, then go left hand side, and then plot a graph. So you will get a, means आपको पहले 0 से चालू, start it from 0, 0 से start करेंगे, फिर 1 2 3 राइट हैंड साइड एक्सिस पे, फिर x की सब्स्टिट्यूट करते हैं कोऑर्डिनेट्स को प्लॉट करेंगे एंड देन यू हैव टू जॉइन। सो थोड़ा क्या करना है,